Hakuna Matata, my country people, are throwing a big salute for us today. This one now big story time for Canal de English. We bring on all story what happen for inside this country. Even though we not gonna story for talk about strong one what happen for this side for Kumbuwe. Even when it don't come out camp for Market Square. He not to talk say that Kumbu use them. When they don't take gun for gendarme them. Shoot gendarme, disappear, enter for instance Songo with that gun, say me they bring them. If they not move that gun, it go be in a trouble in between them and police. Mr. Patrick Najio for that side for Jackie the subdivision will come back here to root here until the struggle where they don't even put hand for one of that boys away. They take status for kill that gendarme and then burn school for that side too. Will come back for that story for inside big story time for Chakara for better. After two. We will take una go to for Boya for talk about Palava battle there for inside Boya town. We will take una go to for that side for Bokwango. Here for that side for great support. And I'm gonna see how taxi they cry. Every day we change shock. From that side, we will land for Bamenda. Food market, fire. But he born na under some woman at table for that side for Sika City. So yesterday when I come to Sunday, the woman be there for outside to do business. From that side, we will take una to go down for that side for far north, go method media wa Bakari na governor for that side for far north for take side talk with small grad ide for a heart for Sika Weti. Cameroonians and way they be don't turn Boko Haram. Mami Pikin, they don't jega for up. Surrender, they there for under Kitu the Nawe. They trap for Chakara and Torisha, so no say for Kirman Abati, gone now voting for terrence, so for transform them for 75 come back, live for their country for better way. They say this one. Now procedure will go take long time wait. All them for that side, they glad plenty to go take una to work for inside town for Chakara. The small story will happen for inside this country. If you call me Michael, call me Congo Saman. As I come back, we go Chakara Tori, even Palava. Kunkuma when I begin from Vomeka for talk about it 35 years in power they will celebrate them yesterday, even though for that side for Lebiale they Tory be gonna hide but this occasion they go Yaounde but for some other one they take that celebrate them. But for that side for Penamboko, oh boy, fight be there for Penamboko. Box me I box you for Sikanchu where the wrong guy same the share. Tory day. Tell your neighbor me she don't. Because as I come back, we'll enter for proper Tory. Call me Michael, call me Congo Saman. Master Jean Fanjo na it takes time so the press button for someone to see my highway shine so. Me, na the only mind bring na legalize Congo Sa. Jean Fanjo press button carry we go to that side for in between GCE board and this place we require for that side for great support. Road don't spoil sometimes Isaac and the camp, sometimes work at Isaac and they don't turn be na Kitu. Because the taxi man one pass on the barrel shaking jaitis. When motor is shaking for that side for inside Boya. You don't be circulate enter for inside quarter for Boya and whenever the taxi man they struggle for pointing out small do. So see the traffic don't block. They say, oh you go back. See road for that side. Then when they put tire for that side, and they say the tire they put na 3 centimeters. They say that tire I just like say they put a cement for house, for inside house. When they put tire this year, it won't be next year, road it don't finish. Road the front side and they road them too, they road the like saying that's for tomato. It is the land not they again for Boya, if it takes that so make road big for when another motor spoil for corner road, another motor if it gets time for parts of the city motor for that side for in between GCE board and a great support for that side where they so motor they can block another roadway way no with this for semi taxi or even another motor if it takes that pass Isaac or car sometimes allow broke self driving mirror for that other taxi where you don't come to shock or tire to you don't allow come on for that side for talk about this one you say road them for Boya, so they turn say, what a Mr. Mayor for Boya, it was so me na Yaounde come on how na Yaounde can sign book before the trouble for think about the palaver for Boya put them for take time for secret for inside town so on how but any idea we go show you the come back with the intermuna say yeah see now I can say wait you go broke tax man they understand they say where time we ready for again for Boya boy need talk but they don't even manage make gutter them, but they road them too they had it over small. So at least when they do the contract, and if we begin with the small casting go for years for same they take side, so arrange will roll them for better way. So Master Jean Fanjo, mo leave boy at this time around, will enter Kumbu. Trouble for Jakiri. Now I did not tori come, he don't come out. But Kitu be Janam police. They did door to door work. That is the day they do thorough search for that side. And phone of top, he don't move Mwero. Send him for Market Square. Mwero don't knock to talk say this so. Damn boys the way they kill Dan Kitu, that Janam will come up for go for round 4 for Jakiri. Take a gun, enter, slide like an okra time. Me they move that gun. Say if they don't move that gun, they not go get problem now to Ngomna. They go get problem now to Palace. When don't just come up for Chakara to for that side where Lambert Kevin, it is trouble for see how we go to for see that image and tomorrow of a newscast for 4 o'clock so for talk about trouble. Any idea? Mr. Patrick when Dio for Jakiri subdivision, he talks say this so they don't catch one of these boys them. And they struggle for do all things possible. Say me this today, so you don't pass, so they never move that gun. And they go make sure say people boys when they kill this and I mean all them, they go in for that side for Jakiri so con people. Me we hear conversation through tingly with Mr. Patrick when Geo for Jakiri.
There's some madam, there's some. The population is just afraid and escaping. There is no gendarme on the street, there's nothing. We're out to search out the culprit who committed the act of selling away children from school, and unfortunately, we lay hands on one of them, but the others are on the run. So apparently, those in town who were accomplices to the act are those who are escaping. If not, nobody is chasing anybody in town. Town is calm, people are moving along doing their duty. The few who are there are moving along and doing their duties without any disturbance. So there is absolute calm, but there is just fear. There is absolute calm, and there are no gendarmes, there are no military. The town is free, but the unfortunate thing is that they killed one of the gendarmes.
Unfortunate, say one gendarme, he don't solo a birth certificate for that side for Jakiri so control. Contrary now gonna tell you come over that side for Jakiri this time around. More just make a we'll stop for that side for Bamenda food market where some one counter for that side, some business might sell Gary which is small ingredient for that side. He counter catch fire. Then when the fire the catch where the struggle lost on for that side. Back to the way come on and say this so. Yesterday when we been at Country Sunday, the woman he can't open his shop for take starts for find his own small Gary and for make sure say me put and take starts to chop for that side control. Big so say this so that one I email the corner for big book say this so now man we never sabi where the whole camera farm where the whole head and shake it. Any idea for same would day for all side it no be easy. When something they told na just WhatsApp and for one time we take time for say arrange. So this one now yesterday for that side, yesterday for number 6 day for November for that side for Bamenda food market so for talk about this issue for burning of property. So they say this so if it be talking a plain counter them like for only yesterday so Bamenda food market again but down but tango say this so pass by the way the part they take side to struggle do all things for same they take side lost that fire gendarme them pass for that side with their own big book and pen textile on the right yes we don't write them when I see some man no they take their own textile take their own small to read and take side so for go do their own report for that side for Bamenda will still struggle for see how will come back for we news card them with small to read for textile and no wait till they really go on for that side with this palava burning of places, them burning of sukuru, them burning of properties, and for that side to control. We'll come back to more time with all this one. Master Jean Fanjo, may we come up Bamenda this time around. Carry we go to that side for far north. Boys them for protocol. I'm shitty. For that side for far north, they don't surrender. They say now we be Boko Haram. Despite how Boko Haram don't do Cameroonians and for that side for North, every day they kill 4 or 5, they slaughter one them, slaughter is now he goat. They don't surrender so one them when they come, even with mommy who picking them. They come down, they say now we go and this so I bet we not shoot, don't shoot. We hold a white flag, means one a piece. They don't surrender. They say this so they don't tire that thing say Boko Haram. Say they don't dare them again for day. So they don't carry all them. They say they don't fit send them for inside public. We don't know whether this or that mission. Sometimes they don't come now. Some bomb they don't fit enter inside public. They take side explode them again. So they don't keep them for one camp. They give them job. Then they take small information. They ask them questions. Say this so when I be on how many people they now be on a leader. They talk all that kind of small story. Then they talk with them. They don't bring to specially them small document them where they talk for their hour. Say this so we don't know that thing because small people they for that start plenty where they don't transform their mind. They don't know nothing for carry gun or carry bomb. Kill person that one so where Allah they take you one time to the stroke for see how they go fit train them for better way. When they come back to for enjoy life like other Cameroonians so for inside this country where media wa Bakari when a governor for far north. Small smile, you know they don't take. When you see Oga governor, when you want talk, now so the type fella might don't chop black bitter leaf. You never taste black bitter leaf? That bitter leaf they just soak water to move up. That's why the bitter, that's why the tie face for that side. But this time around, media wa Bakari the talk for camera. They say, it is smile. Oh boy, smile. Look camera smile. Let me see your face. You the compo. See you. Any idea, countryman? Jean Fanjo, leave Oga governor quiet for that side. Move control the act to this time around way. We'll take una go for that side from Bam and Enugu where they call us for that side for Jack. Now their own minimum package. That minimum package na chalk, ram of paper, small book them, small pen for semi teacher. But authorities them for inject they say this so well done, governor. When I don't try, we don't even know so we'll get it one. But school for this side na hell. Jean Fanjo, shift and go before small make control take side see how classroom then when rain the fall, rain the enter for us. When rain the fall, sometimes they be for them for strength to move from picking for other class and say, see how picking a day. It means if picking say one Dutch class, you don't need for take the excuse me, sir. It just slide like an okra, see I'm come either for left or right. And at the same time, they for inside classroom, that's what snake video come, if rain the fall, snake run rain, he come for inside classroom, he met up in so inhabitant for that side for inject the criteria. So make governor try do something for city. So me that picking them to the take style so enter for school for better way. May they enjoy to education like other Cameroonians for that side because they really lack infrastructure and for that side so we see the kind houses the way they take so for manage their own school and for that side so for inside Bam and Enugu so control Nactori control talk about yes they been a big day for CPDM party. 35 years for power. Some people they say na big failure. Other one they say you don't start work. Other one they say oh God papa you don't old. If I say me go rest. Celebration they will go for left and right when newspaper they take side chakara on to for the kind where they fit take side chakara. For that side for Lebi Alem. Then Dongame with the whole arm. The other kind of Dongame the whole for instance Gumba house. You know the time Gumba house. It the whole Dongame man did not know what happen. So they hold the kind meeting inside Gumba house. No man don't know how the celebration. Because that body for Lebi Alem they get blood for Ayo. Ha! But for this side for Penamboko, oh boy, now blow me I blow you for Sikanchu. We just struggle to see how we'll come up with that image and yesterday so come for that side for Penamboko how we do for get up that side because they fight on top Nchu. Say they don't send you. Say me they take that to share that. Other one say I want chop me one. They even accuse it so principal for school for that side. Now he want take Jonah for take that chop the one but we show the struggle how we get other email for take that so chakara the story for better we wanna take side know how this Palava celebration be for all that town there in Yaoundé it pass fine. For that side for central region. No it pass from 3-4 places from Fundi the textile. Even some SDF military they come now with the SDF clothes they move up. Say yes now we are see they say see they work fine but we join we come on else go for see. So we'll see the come back for inside week so control tomorrow we'll see struggle see how we'll gather other email. Even for that side for Donga Mantum the thing takes happen for that side but for some other side then control they don't even hear and I hear say this so for boy I say happen. They celebrate. Big day na big day. Even though someone will say what if we are old? Big day na oh but what you laugh no? We continue not to read this time around. We take una go for that side for Bafoussam where Julien Trésor Tanon. Now talk man for that side. If you walk up the street, you see Rita, Utitamo, Rita and Tamo. That one way they with that red trosiso. Na Tamo. Then that one way that walk but the call say Rita, Rita and Tamo they all work now only for dance. Misanya where it walk over that side now 25 years. Where he walk, and for only became work and made that small shaking west. And he said some people they laugh he. Say, oh, pa like you so. You work and do it to teach for picking the for road. He said, now, the way you don't take up, marry a woman. So for that thing, I say a woman like it pass all thing. Say tell a woman the vex, tell her why you put dengue, put and shake west, eh? See Rita and Tamo, and for if we go for that type of Chang, go for Bafu Sam, go for him for that type for Bunda. When you want pass over Mr. Nya one pass, you receive pick the corner. Make me Rita and Tamo down. See, I say oh pardon. Oh man, can look at they say this so Cameroon. No ever shame for anything you want to do. As far as you know, say that thing if you take that, so make your own life for that side for textile, manage your own place for textile, so go ahead your own life, do them. Because you don't know, say this is something that one way God begin. You say, no, I've already man since 25 years. We're on there for inside the business. And the business they pay. You say any euro want enter if you take so manage and the way it takes time manage your life, don't so you go make them. Because it get you work out with small musical set on the to wine waste. Because mutumunana wine waste. Well now what did they for waste so no ask me. Ask your neighbor. Now what did they for waste? In those days, we no be know they can mutumu na wine waste. But now mutumu don't turn na wine waste. In fact, more come over that side textile this time around take una go over that side for Boy division for talk about inhabitants and for that side they see Christ so Mr. Njong when a mayor do something for bridge and for inside Kumbu. Same bridge where they join two villages for inside Kumbu town. I pass, you pass. If water come plenty, you don't carry bridge. We begin wait for see how we go struggle for tighter another one. You don't know whether cancel. But when you carry small one up plenty, come on bush with time, you want enter our town, they say pay money. You want to come. But cancel need to prepare on way if you go carry that thing and how they want work money. How they want textile work money. So Mr. John Fanjo, no worry. That matter go campus, yeah. Yeah, no boy, no worry, that matter go pass. So they cry for that time, Mr. John try to do something for them, for help them, for saying they are active, they continue to go find for that side to control. But any idea, move come on for that side, so just land back for Bamenda for talk about Mr. Chi for Munda Michelle. They kill it around number 10 or 11 day for October. Try die body for back in house after yet go and they say, see. Now they complete the way they join together. I said 2 women, 4 man pikin. Mommy, he pikin, with his grand pikin, with his nephew them. They join together for kill Mr. Fomondong Chi Michael for that side for Bamenda. All man the one that say, wait if he make a nipple kill this man. When I be, they don't struggle, do better, instead of small taxes them. After they catch all the mazembe them, then they take an hand for gendarme and say, we not go do investigate. We not go do investigate. We not go do investigate. See the young boy them. Because say no, na mama me be talk say mo go do am. Na mama me be talk say mo go do am. We not try. I say be we not try. Na we gendarme they say we not go young way for hand. Casting for years, they whip and every morning time for 5:30 with time we play fan code when the whip call for under so you talk through. I not go do am again no, but I don't do am na last time. But now so they wait and say this so me procure see na the hotel where Pachi don't take such a bid and for that way he never even launch am. Man no when na jealousy oh na way to the kill tie go give am for back hotel for inside bush. Jealousy. See how they take them, bring us me, they explain how they take do the thing for that side. But that they talk say no, na for you carry, we go give you the diary for that side. Master John Fanjo just show with that tree for back. Mr. Chi hotel for that side. But I'm gonna take side see how he diary time when they want go look the diary don't be rotten for that side for. A back hotel for that side. Now people they want pass the yes smell before they take sign and do it. They take sign now go for that side, go move the dead body, carry and now just struggle and how bury and for back for that side. They totally want a really wonderful and terrible country for talk about palava jealousy. Jean Fanjo, maybe we move see that tree where they kill you, go throw it for back for that side. But okay, first bring we one interview for that side. We hear one of his neighbors they make it tell we. Wait yabu upachi we it disappear for more than 2 weeks. The one can see him, they repeat na their body. Oh boy, talk more yeah.
In Fidelis. So me, I don't come for. So this morning I don't come for market because my business premises be at Dolmen Market. So I don't come now. I try for arrange some. I try for arrange my goods. So they call me. They tell me say so something no happen. Say I never yeah. I told you no me I never yeah because me I don't last month. Where you can pass buy goods and for me for the hotel because we make the place in a hotel. So you can buy that goods and for me tell me say this so it plan say Sunday when I go visit when I go some visit. So as you can talk so Sunday now I can visit it at the Sepana house and now so they order me for just as a chicken. So he tell me say yes that's good. So when I don't talk. So then it was okay go you around bless you. Then from then I go me. Then once Sunday you can pass on market now still buy again 12 euro. As you can buy 12 euro now. As you can buy 12 euro, then from there now, you don't make about, you don't make about month now. Yes, when the last money can buy, you don't make about month. So I don't say this, I will come visit the woman. I can show my fiancé. So
Tingwa beseni na bukoma mabidi over. You complain. Madi you complain say this is so worry, so I told her say how will the worry so go see my sister then. We then decide what way they do with the bar. So we then decide before we will then come then can talk. So my mate to go see them. So we talk say if don't for talk say me there. My sister then she talk say this so if don't for talk say you can't fool you take money you need to do anything then why be say you will still come again for can't fool you again take money again. Say me do the act before if you see whether not true before they do something for you.
Why we not kill the bar?
We kill the bar because it go down for because it crossroads. A crossroad go down for that place where my pa where my pa place it is so how we don't cross go down for that place. The planes you put them they don't follow you see me they come then they still go down for that place they all go. So mommy when mommy comes up with a complaint say but so go for that go stand for that place where the talks me pa no stand for this so no.
Deep power dies on a wolf for you.
I don't know me.
You know relate.
You don't know in there you send me the key.
Thing we didn't say. Now I will ask mommy say now mommy begin to answer that question because if I will ask mommy say now all this. Mommy tell me say first we come in a camp so no first know I. Mommy tell me say na first we come in a camp.
But you the same person who came away, you don't know it. Then you won't get nothing from you.
Chi Michael Mandam. The person you kill, you carry the same name.
So how we mommy as a mommy tell me say they place na place and they get the how we get the place. I ask mommy say who side this park come out. Mommy tell me say come say no first no I too.
So now you not decide to kill him.
So I ask mommy say which we decide say you first go inform my sister then me I don't know which I fit talk inside the issue. I tell mommy say me go inform my sister then so I don't know which I fit talk inside the issue.
Not sure the thing takes to happen for that side for Bamenda when I really sad news as not here for that side so control. We should come back for newscast for textile check out on the 34 better way all money thank be them for that side for all this better way the tech side so do am. You feel call me Michael, call me Congo Saman. Now the small to that take side garan for that. Now that thing number that. Call we time when something happen. What's up we? Send we Tori. Ching road way say I will you. Send them for we. We will take side for sure. I'm told I'm going to announce that to Cameroon the worker for inside this country. Tomorrow will be another day where I will come back again with better Tori for same one enter for talk about it will happen for inside this country.